Who says you can't? Chapter 12, page number 143. Verbal actions. What you say is what you are. By replacing our current vocabulary with new empowering substitutions, we will influence the emotions we experience throughout our day. That emotional experience determines how we act and the results we get. We are linguistically programming our subconscious mind with every word, which turns into ritual and becomes our nature. We say things unaware of the massive effect they have on our lives. I cannot overstate the importance of this. It will be the be all and end all of your success. Here are some examples of words and sayings that we must stay away from in everyday speech and some great ones to put in their place. Third step, the system of achievement. I could never do that. Replace with I can do that. I am not smart enough. I am infinitely intelligent, have the resources and will learn. I will never be wealthy. I must be wealthy. I am always sick. I feel great. I am too fat. I want to be fit and healthy. I am unattractive. I am beautiful. If I start my own business, I will fail. Replace it. I will do whatever it takes to succeed. I can't earn more than my parents. I can earn more than my parents. I am a loser. I will win. I can't be bothered. My existence is energy. I am too tired. I must demand an energetic state now. That's really bad. What's so great about this? That's impossible. Anything is possible. I feel drained. Replace it. I am a powerhouse. I can't. I can. What a coincidence, or what luck, cause and effect. Maybe one day I will make the day. Hopefully, I am certain. That's too hard. I love a challenge. I will do it later. I must do it now. I am over. I am just getting started. What if it's not happening now? So don't worry in advance. I should have replaced this line with I did not, but I am in control of myself now, which means I can. I will try, do or don't do. I hate my life. Love is life. I wish I was happy. I choose to be happy or not. He is lucky. He is successful. I hate him or her. Replace this line with I love myself enough not to hate. I hope something bad happens to them. I wish the best for them, which means I will be blessed. I hope I get there. I know I will get there. I won't find that person. I have faith and I will make sure I do. I need that. I want that. I'm okay, not bad. Replace this line with I'm great. I don't know. Replace it with I will find out. There is nothing I can do about it. Replace this line with is there really nothing I can do about it? The first sets of words are all limiting by habitually repeating them. They are causing you to never get past those abuse. The second words in bold are empowering and will benefit your life. It does not matter how hard it may seem at times. Disappointment. The reason that some people never achieve what they want is that they lack self-belief. What hope do you give yourself if you are too scared to have faith and believe in your ability? to begin with. It does not matter if you are using restrictive words in a joking manner or in a serious or destructive manner. They all have equal effect. Only use words that have power to help you grow. I can, I will, I am, and I must. These words make you feel great about yourself. For a brief moment, think about how many conversations a day you are involved in. Now, how how many are you complaining in? How many of conversations make you feel empowered and inspired? Now count how many contribute to creating what you want in life, compared with how many contribute to things you don't want. Stay away from negative notations and words. You might feel a bit funny walking around and only spitting out words that you think are positive, but the notion of positive is not the only factor here. It's all about using the common sense we are built with. Is there any sense in using vocabulary that restricts us from excelling in life? What you decide to say on a daily basis becomes your reality, so it's just as real in conditioning you. If you say it's too hard, then it always will be. If you say it's impossible or you can't, then that's how you will perceive reality. Whatever you decide to say is in fact real, because it will force you to act that way. I ask people how they are, and they reply not bad or okay. If you want to be great, then say it, and you will start believing it. I would be focusing on why I said not bad in the first place and immediately do something to turn it around. We must train ourselves to speak with powerful, inspiring, and productive language. By being aware of how powerful language is in shaping our destiny, you can now watch the pattern with those who use limiting words. Look at their whole demeanor. Notice how miserable their day is and how unproductive they usually are in moving toward any real vision. Next time you hear people talking at work or at a cafe, listen and notice how much their conversation contributes to the very feeling and situation they are complaining about. Observe how much energy they are giving it. Most important, use it as an eye-opener to observe and correct yourself. You will condition and reprogram your state in no time. Death and life are in the power of the tongue, and those who love its use will eat its fruit. Proverbs 18:21. Do you think the most successful people are those who add value to the world, waste their day discussing irrelevant things? You bet they don't. If you want to add value, talk like it. If you want to achieve at your peak, speak like it. And if you want real success, surround your conversations with it. Hype it up so much to yourself and those around you that you know you have to deliver. People say talk is cheap, but what I think they mean it. Talk is cheap on its own. Talking big is actually quite valuable when you know you are going to follow through. If you don't speak it, you won't get it. If you don't talk like it, you will never be it. Physical action. Small steps are massive progress. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one small step. Lao Tzu. I truly believe that most people know exactly what they must do to get what they want, but their biggest downfall is never taking action. They will listen to other people's opinion on the secrets of success, but they never put them into action. What they don't realize is that the secret is in doing. Only then will they understand how the concepts they have learned actually work. The strategies in this book create extraordinary lives. but even they are useless if they are not practiced. It's those who act that get rewards instantly. Even if you get just an inkling that something will be beneficial in the shaping of your life, you must act. Those inklings usually turn into great satisfaction, even if you commit to doing 5 different activities that are only 10% a bit better than what you normally do. That increase in performance will vastly improve your life. You don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. Les Brown. It's obviously one thing telling yourself to get up and take action toward your growth, but as we all know, it's another thing actually doing it. Do you have ever those times where you really want to do something, but your mind gets so bogged down with ideas and things to do that you just seem to stand still? It was happening to me while I was writing this book, and I knew other people would have gone through the same thing. All these ideas seem to flow, but it's a lot easier to just think about them rather than actually doing them. We have all these great ideas for our business, sorting out our finances, schooling, and our relationships, but we never seem to act. Why is that? It's because most of the time we are collecting so much information that it almost feels unrealistic to see them all through. The amount that we have piled up scares us, so it's much easier to run rather than face them. We say things like, I will do it later, or it can wait until tomorrow. Do you really get it done later or tomorrow? Question mark. By the time you have piled up all these things to do later or tomorrow, you are going to need a day to transform into a year. Then you will find absolutely anything and